reading, first of all, the light, and then just...
That's fine. Maybe let's, is anybody free? No, we're gonna take a picture.
I'm
We're gonna
free.
take a picture.
Hey!
Alright, so just a little there.
Alright. And Trina's also not here.
I think she needs to film it early.
What?
Oh, Chris is right. Sorry, -2.
I'll just do 78-1.
No, because the Google form won't take any characters in the number, so yeah.
Say less.
Yeah.
Great. That would be a validation.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. So today, my name's Crystal, by the way, and today we've come together to inventory and review all of the media held by the TRUE Skool and the Milwaukee Hip Hop Archive. This is going to help understand the scope of these collections and make decisions about preservation, digitization, and accessibility so that everybody can see the content, learn from it, hear the stories of the community, and continue the legacy, the media legacy of Milwaukee's Hip Hop Archive, or hip hop community, and the TRUE Skool.
Oh, those are so cute.
Left off. Okay.
Before we start,
It is rough when I get it taped.
Crystal, are we?
No, if they're in sleeves, they can stay. It's anything that just isn't in any housing whatsoever that will put into cases.
At the CAW in Chicago, I was the table captain, but then we like mixed up all the medias at the tables, and I was like, I felt so bad for my group. I was like, y'all, all I can on. But I guess that means I win. This one's got a brokey case. Should I replace it?
We don't have that many cases.
Hi, my name is Guadalupe. I'm with California Revealed. We're a Sacramento-based archive out there who helps put together California history online, making it accessible to the public. So in that same spirit, I love working with the cause. Community archiving workshops are a really great opportunity for people to Skillshare. Everybody comes with something, everybody knows something, and everybody has something to learn. This is the highlight of the conference for me. I come to the conference to come to the cause, and I love the opportunity to get to know more people in the field and also bring more people into the field. And these collections are going to be amazing to look at. We're already having a really great time setting everything up, and I'm really excited for what we're going to accomplish today. So, yay!
Alumni Association and the CAW, which is a community museum.
I think if there's no writing on the envelope, it's on cool. We've also talked about just moving those into a case. Like we have all the
And we did sort of go through to sort out duplicates, and Tanya, you've been putting them up here, right? Yeah. So,
Because I think what we're doing, right, is we're gonna a burlesque.
Yes.
So as far as
I've got
just some cheat sheets, now we need to
for our work.
get non-labeled media, right?
like afterwards of Milwaukee. But yeah, I think really just the main thing is like Yesenia was starting to put things up here that had like book copies. So these are things that have like
I never solved that mystery. Archive of Iron Bands.
Oh, Celia, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we figured out what it was, but I don't really know what the,
He's actually,
yeah. I'm also so, like, I really want to talk with you about your presentation, but I don't know how to tail end of, because again, I had the medical emergency work out. No, I mean, not actually, I was just like, I gotta ask.
Where in the world? Y'all could have dipped out of Milwaukee. Conference over. For real. You know, why y'all here? Why is this important? You investing your time and your energy.
Hi, I'm Ethan Lewis. I'm from Washington, D.C. I'm excited to be here today. I love this type of work because it's like so often in archives you don't always get like the choice of what you get to work with, but like with here it's so much fun because you get to choose a local partner, someone who's on the ground in this place, in this space, working with the folks here, and we get to serve them and we get to serve their collections and allow them to hopefully come away with like good data and good information to be able to continue to serve their collection well, but most importantly get to do it alongside the community.
Right, I'm Justin Lemons with the University of North Texas. Pretty much everything Ethan said. The coolest thing about this though is it's like we're getting to serve the fundamental purpose of our jobs, which is archiving important cultural aspects of the community. Getting to work with a partner that's so excited about all of the materials that we're working with, and knowing that we're setting them up for a path to success on getting them preserved and archived and digitized is a real meaningful experience.
I also love how sometimes it's fun. You get to be a little scrappy sometimes, like if you might be able to break the rule of what the archival textbook might tell you in grad school, and you can throw that away occasionally.
Yep.
As we can make our own processes and let the model work for what works best for the community and what works best for the collection.
Yeah, that's a great point. It becomes a really guerrilla type experience.
Yeah.
So, yeah, whatever works.
But yeah, glad to be in Milwaukee today.
Same.
Yeah.
They're low priority. So at least if we have the ID and it matches something, then at the end, I can just like put another column on whatever and then we can like duplicate the column.
Yeah, no, we're Mike, Jeanette and I.
and the half is like the collections. Okay.
She works at Milwaukee. They're very down with her.
So I did not actually.
The table.
Or like, so it's 9:28 today, we're gonna start kind so I can also go up there in front, but I feel like I don't know if you're looking.
But especially with this,
I teach archives at University of Kentucky, and I've never done a call before, so it seems like it's been overdue. I've been coming to EMEA for more than a decade, so I'm just glad to be here.
First time in Milwaukee?
First time in Milwaukee. I've been to Madison before.
Nice.
Yeah.
Archivists who are members of the Association of Moving Image Archivists. A lot of us are from there. It's also the name of the workshop model that helps jumpstart audiovisual preservation for community-based audiovisual collections, just like this one at TRUE Skool. Our flagship program is a one-day workshop, which is this. So archivists and community members come together to learn, connect, and then assess inventory of an AV collection. And this model was started in 2010 by an archivist and teacher, Mona Jimenez, in Philadelphia. And it started as a pre-conference activity at the EMEA conference. I think since then it is now a post-conference activity, or at least it is in this situation. And CAW has also grown and expanded its outreach with support from the NEH, the IMLS, the National Historical Records and Paper Commission, and the Mellon Foundation. So they happen all throughout the country. and I believe outside the country. Yes, all over. Oh, okay. So that's the end of my little spiel. I'm going to. I wanted to.
We are obviously underground, so anytime that we have visitors come down and learn about who we are, where we are, and get to experience the space for themselves, especially in these unique ways, it's always a pleasure for us. We are Milwaukee Center for Transformative Arts and Hip Hop Culture, and that means that we dabble in a whole lot of everything through a creative lens, through the idea of that everything that this space and this organization consumes ends up being something that our young people then have access to. So we appreciate all of your knowledge, your expertise. Those who are learning, we're learning with you. But there's also a whole lot of gems that you guys are gonna be able to pick up today. And just don't forget to carry that True Skool flag back wherever you are. If you're taking pictures, tag us at True Skool 414, TRU. They got it up there, TRUESKOOL 414. And yeah, I'll let you take it from here.
Component in preservation planning. It can help you identify the greatest physical risks in your collection, some of the most valuable content, and allows you to begin to prioritize assets in your collection for digitization by conducting an inspection and creating an inventory. Sorry, I need to make the text bigger. Oh, here we go. We're going to help the True Skool gain greater physical and intellectual control of their collections. So we're going to have that with yes. Yes.
4 points.
I think we have like different versions of that. I feel like I saw like 5.
Do you remember recording this album?
I was just and as long as they make
I see you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't have housing. I think you can make a note and say that
Yeah, we ran out of so.
Nice. It's not as like poppy, but pop.
So smooth.
I think there was the right side.
What do you think that is? Let me get your best guess.
Armageddon?
Armageddon?
Armageddon.
That just say Armageddon. Yeah, that just say Armageddon. That's short, but it's for Armageddon.
Oh, okay, great.
What are you doing right there?
We're popping record tabs, so nobody records over this tape. So we want to keep everything, all the memories on it. Boom. Now nobody can record over it. It'll be good.
They're forever.
Stay forever.
You should watch it. It's so good. I can't. I bought it. I bought it. Oh, what?
She works with us at Transfer.
They usually don't put up that one, the purple. She was like the mock purple.
Should start hearing audio pretty soon. So most of these have been mixtapes again. And then the other key is once we're actually getting into a tape is we actively listen to the entire thing front to end, see if there's any issues, make sure to take notes, and rectify the issues as we go along. Like if something completely stops playing, we'll of course we would pump it out, let's see what's the issue, is anything that we can do. And then the other big concept is making sure you listen to everything front to end. Captured 100% of the tape, because that's real easy for me to cut out at the end once we're done. And then once this tape is done,